what time it is. 2:53. Time to get going to fishing. I don't know if it gets any earlier than this, but I am tired. Leaving now. Alright, this is the earliest I've been out. 3:06 and we are on the road. Boat hooked up and we're off.
In 500 meters, your destination will be on the right.
5:48 and we are here now at McCracken, Stoney Lake. What? Crap, I feel rain.
Didn't you check the forecast?
I did. It wasn't supposed to rain. Oh, it really is raining now.
Crap.
Better check the forecast now. McCracken. Just parked the truck. Oh, gotta lock it. Yep, we just parked. We launched. We're gonna go out and let's find some fish. Oh, I forgot to mention, it's freaking raining now. Hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. Current situation. It is raining. 6:30. Look at all the fish on the monitor. Tons of fish on the monitor. But I only caught one fish so far. And it's raining. Hopefully catch something soon. Whee! Second fish. Second bass, and I wasn't even trying. It was just hooked on. I was busy doing something else and he hooked on. Okay, time to catch some more. Got another one. Look at the bass. Another one.
Why do we see another one?
Bring it in, slowly.
Yeah!
Smile. Well, not too high. Bring it down. Bring it to the side more. No. Like in front of you. Like that. Yeah, right there. Smile. Hello. Oh. It disappeared. And another one.
Whoa.
And another one. And another one. Another one. Yeah. So we're gonna release them now?
No.
Oh wow, so much water. What's that? That's a smallie. Okay, you gonna throw it back? Okay, throw it back. Oh, Daisy can hook it now. I didn't even see that one. People keep asking me for fish, but I keep forgetting who. What are you trying to do?
Hi, Dad. Okay, that's